Ako din dapat may award. Because pass holders, sina Ann and Sam ay na-corner natin.
Hey Megan, we're here at shooting natin for our movie as in, syempre kasama ka sa movie natin. Babe, I love you.
Oh, meron ka bonggang free team. Me, I play the role of Sasa. Isa akong promo girl. Isa siyang very free-spirited girl. Makulit, maingay na babae, pero mapagmahal sa family. As opposed to Nico.
Si Nico, ano siya, he's a first off professor. He's a college teacher. Ano siya, he's a guy na laging may mga rules sa buhay niya. Mahigpit, even the kind of girl that he wants to be with. Alam niya kung anong gusto niya.
Ann and Sam, I know all about the movie. Pero may mas gusto pa kaming malaman. Pagbibigyan niyo ba ang mga may hawak ng VIP pass?
Syempre si Megan, ang sister ko.
Oh, ayan ha, ayan. You said so. So, what do you love most and least about each other?
The thing that I love the most siguro about Sam is sobrang pagdating sa kanya, I can be unguarded. Tapos hindi ako mako-conscious sa self ko kasi he can accept me for that. Natawa!
Ikaw naman, sir.
Tapos, wait, dito ka!
Brother, kuya, o ano, upo ka na.
The thing I hate the most about him, yung pa niya.
Hindi, maganda talagang paa.
Hindi.
Ako.
Alam mo,
Maganda.
hindi nga
Gusto niyo makita?
hindi nga mabigyan masyado
Pakita ko
ng
ngayon.
close-up
Gusto mo
ni Direk
makita?
yung ini-make make sana kasi
What?
dito.
I have a good
Papakita
foot
yung
shot.
paa niya.
Kaya lang maraming sand sa foot.
Tapos hindi pa
Pero
nga,
maganda.
Ivy,
Maganda yun.
story ko to.
Pass holders, ganyan talaga silang dalawa. Ang cute, no?
What do I love about Anne? I love her voice when she sings.
Thank you.
Amazing singer.
Mm-mm.
I'm just saying that to make you feel better. If you watch her when she smiles her teeth, she sticks her tongue out. Ganyan siya. Like,
Yung I will fight.
Akala ko talaga mag-aaway kayo. Sa next question, tingnan ko kung mag-aaway kayo, ha? Can you reveal to us each other's naughtiest secret?
well, first off, she has very unusual collections.
Mean of you.
Some of them I cannot say. I can't reveal kasi Hoy I didn't tell yung collection mo. Don't.
Sam is a very gaseous person.
Oh, okay. Now I'm sharing. Now I'm sharing.
Another VIP pass
No.
exclusive.
Makabangga!
Anong makabag?
Mautot.
Sige na nga. Most memorable date.
The very, very first, it wasn't even supposed to be a date. But it was still like, yun talagang yung, parang you have a really crush. It was at taping pa lang It was a taping ng Maging Sino Ka Man. It was our first time to actually eat just the two of us alone.
Yung akin siguro was in El Nido ng New Year, last year. We went to the other island. Tapos sobrang ganda ng boat ride kasi sobrang ganda ng
As in lahat ng between,
stars.
as in labas.
Sobrang ganda.
The
Tapos
most stories.
wala.
Stories
Tapos after nun, parang pagbalik namin, super kwentuhan lang kami. Red wine, red wine.
Oh, gusto ko na rin magkaroon ng babe. Ito na lang. Babe, I love you because... Fill in the blanks, please.
Kung gusto mo din.
Babe, I love you because kahit ganun ang kapangit ang paa ko, you still accept me.
Okay, babe, I love you because ikaw yung taong meron akong inside jokes with. And I think that's really special.
Oh, really special.
Thank you guys, and watch out this April 3rd for our movie Babe, I Love You.
Yes, and this has been Anne and Sam for VIP Pass. Of course, thanks so much for having us on the show for what's it, our favorite occasionista, Tabat.